Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vinod Stanley. I'm representing Dolce Vita Technology, we call us DeVry Technologies here. Our theme is experience, expertise, efficiency and effectiveness. We are here to market SAP Business Object Web Intelligence for reporting purpose. Let me introduce my team, Vita and Nandana and Nancy and Francisco. Let me tell a few things about DeVry Technologies. I'm not going to drill down full completely. Let me take only a few steps. Dolce Vita has been an authorized vendor for SAP, ERP, and PO since March 2008. DeVry Technologies is a platinum equity company, is a systems integrator of supply chain automation and inventory management solutions, delivering tangible return on investment to some of the world's largest corporations. DeVry Technologies' primary applications include solutions for warehousing, manufacturing, and distribution operations. DeVry Technologies' portfolio of solutions and services include business process consulting, enterprise resource planning, systems integration, wireless professional service, project management, and life cycle support. Let me hand over the business intelligence section to Nandana. She will explain what business intelligence and how it works.
So, thank you. So, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence is a category of applications and technology for gathering, storing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help your company make better business decisions. Those applications include the activity of decision support system, query and reporting, online analytical processing, statistical analysis, forecasting, and data mining. So, why does your company need a business intelligence? Your company needs a business intelligence because your true competitor is not other companies, but it is actually a market awareness. So how do you get recognized? You get recognized that by using the business intelligence, which will help you identify market trends and seize upon them to get recognized. And that question we're going to answer it for you. The next slide, I'll hand it over to Nancy.
Thank you. So we're going to talk about what is SAP Business Object. Okay, Business Object is an application that provides the enterprise with the complete set of reporting, analysis tools that enable timely and accurate presentation of data so that they can get answers to unpredictable questions anytime. So why have to be SAP Business Object? Because SAP Business Object is an advanced analytic tools are designed for financial and business analysts. These two interrogate complex historical data to look for trends and patterns through a visual interface. So we're going to talk about the benefit of SAP Business Web Intelligence. It can analysis anytime, anywhere, online and offline, implementing the right information at the right time from a variety of sources. And they can semantic layer and post data in everyday business context. It's perform ad hoc reporting and analysis online and offline to get the answer to unpredictable questions. Self-service access and analysis on data spread across heterogeneous data sources. And they can share insights via interactive report to colleagues, partners, and customers. Furthermore, this can interactive analysis to gain business insights, offer self-service access, ad hoc reporting, intuitive analysis on any data type. And it's a user-friendly. You can choose your own data. It's display data in the table and chart, creating interactive report. It's calculations, track change on or offline, and it can share with others. So you can see all the benefits of the business object, right? The intelligent for this is easy. So we can talk about the key capabilities. It's free-form analysis with simple table, chart, calculation, drill down. It's analysis anytime, anywhere, online or offline. It's synthetic layer, export data in the everyday business context. It's unified access across its heterogeneous data source, and absolutely it's securely shared interactive reports. We're gonna talk about competition. This is I mean like what we do best or better than other. We do better job with to get the answer to question without depending on IT, and it helps enterprise to gain competitive advantage and identify opportunity for differentiate in the marketplace. And you know what? More than 80% of Fortune 500 companies rely on SAP Business Object Solution. So we are a big market. Okay, let me talk about. This is the Gartner BI market share for 2009. Gartner is an information technology research and advisory firm. Headquarters is in Stamford, Connecticut, United States. This company provides a lot of technology, and their client is the large corporate, government agency, a lot of technology company, and investment consulting firm. So they rank the customer of SAP. You can see it's 22.4% of the market share, which is almost double of the Oracle. Oracle is the second rank, right? It's just 14.5%. So you can rely on business object SAP. Okay, next part is gonna talk about the client Subaru.
Hello everyone. I'm about to talk about your company, everything that you've given us as far as information from your IT department and everything else, and we just want to give a quick overview just in case some of you aren't aware of everything that has been happening with Subaru since it started up until the information that we got for you. So everybody knows Subaru is the Japanese name for the Pleiades star cluster, which inspired the Subaru logo. The 6 stars that are on the logo symbolize the companies that merged to create FHI, which stands for Fuji Heavy Industries. This is the Subaru conglomerate, which is Subaru as an automotive manufacturing division of the Japanese transportation conglomerate, which is FHI once again. And the first car that Subaru introduced was made in 1954. Some of the achievements for Subaru are that they are internationally known for the use of the Boxer engine layout, which is popularized, as some people may know the cars, mostly the Volkswagen Beetle and the Porsche 911. I'm pretty sure everybody knows the 911, at least guys. Sorry, ladies. The Subaru first used all-wheel drive train layout in 1972. Just to make it more simpler, all-wheel drive means that your 4 wheels are turning, not just 2 wheels pulling 2 other wheels for most cars. And this is standard equipment for most mid-size and smaller cars in the international market as of 1996. The 2007 Frankfurt International Motor Show saw Subaru introduce a horizontally opposed water-cooled common rail turbo diesel. Make it nice and short, it's a really strong engine that is fast and it doesn't heat up. This is using a variable geometry turbocharger called the Subaru EE engine. thus increasing their revenue overall by 30%. And this was annually. I'm going to take the information that your IT department gave us, and we put it into reports, and we're just going to give you a quick summary of the reports, what you can do with them using SAP Business Objects Web. As you can see, you have your basic annual sale by showroom, which is pretty much what you want to see. You want to see what the showroom is doing and how it's doing it. Just in case you want to actually take that a step further and you want to know which showroom without getting all of the quarters mixed up, you can drill down on the drill down menu that we have for you. It was built specifically for you, and you can choose quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 to be in separate areas. So that way you can see quarter 1 for Maidenhead and San Jose, and you can also see the sum of your annual sales for them. We took that a step further, and after breaking it down into your quarters, you can take that information, and just in case you don't want to have people reading the numbers, you can show them with charts, which are over on this side, and you have your financial period quarter amounts, and on the side you have a legend that shows you what is the name for each color, just in case you didn't know that blue stood for Maidenhead and the other color stood for another theme. All the same, you can take the reports, and instead of using quarters, you can use the makers. You get your colors, and then you get the amount sold, and you can take that and also make it into a report, which will show you the colors, their actual color, the maker, and how many were sold. Now, a lot of people use pie charts to show percentages and or other figures. You can take that same report with your year, the makers, totals that were made, and you can put that into your chart and then just distinguish them by using your color layout. Annual sales, another type of simple report. This is a simple report. This is the basic thing you can get with this. This just gives you straight data in rows and columns. You can take that data, summarize it, summarize by price or sums or quantities. And if you need to make it a better presentation because you're going to present it to any of your clients or any of your customers, you can take it, break it down also into areas where you can see certain information on one chart or on one side, and then have your chart on the other side display it either in part, in bars, or graphs. And then again, if you need to just show even more specific, you can drill down to the point where you can just have one showroom, one area, or one type of vehicle. Again, you can break that information into pie charts or percentages if you need it. And this is just after you've drilled down how your presentation would look for anybody that needs to see it. And that's how your charts would look. That's how anything would look if you needed to have anything done with it. Is there any questions about any of your charts or anything that I've showed you at this time? No? No? Okay. I'm going to go to give you the evaluation that we made based on the information from the charts that we were showing you. As of now, from the information that we got for you, your best year has been 2005, which is your current year. Your sales went up 20.5%. And what those charts showed you is that Subaru USA Inc. is delighted to report that the annual sales for the 2005 record in year was for the sales of 800,079 vehicles, which made it and marketed it as a 20.7% increase over the 34 vehicles that were sold the previous year. And this is also the record for Subaru, with Americans purchasing 28,176 vehicles during the year, which is once again 20.7% more than the last year's results. This annual sales increase helped Subaru close out the 2005 year as the fastest growing Japanese manufacturer for the third year in a row. Now, the robust sales of the Outback led to its best year ever and a new annual sale record, which shows the sales rose by 54.42% over the same last year, while total annual Outback sales of 6,401 units beat the previous record set in 2001 by 48.4%. Now, I know this sounds like a lot of speaking and that's just me ranting and raving, but pretty much what we did with those charts, you can put all this information that you don't want people to read and spend half an hour or an hour trying to decide what 20% in 2005 for the 879 vehicles was, or the 800,000 vehicles was. You can take that, use this. You can just put the information that you want for the maker or the model, the sum, which was the 800,000, and then the percentage that was made, and then show it to them in that graph or that pie chart. So that way you don't have to go around reading 2, 3, or 4 paragraphs. You can just sum it all up in a nice, neat report that everybody can see, everybody can read, and everybody will know what you said, when you said it, and why you said it. Now we'll give the stand over to my partner so she can give you information on why it would be best to choose us over our competition.
Why would you want to choose Vita Technology over other competitor companies is our dedication for building a strong business is consistently recognized by independent sources and clients. We provide superior quality service that focuses on our clients' specialized needs at a cost-effective rate. Our industry experience allows us to understand our clients' businesses, industry, initiatives, and cultures. We're proud to help our customers surpass their competitors by creating more efficient, consumer-driven supply chain. Assisting business areas and understanding the big picture rather than taking in terms of project team and project line, business line. Unique blend of on-site and offshore resources and of over 1,500 passionate professionals. Strong relationships with 300 active customers worldwide. Proactive solutions offering for improving operational efficiency, complying with industry relationships, and improving customer service levels. So independent Dolce Vita's technology customer satisfaction survey consistently reveals that our clients receive superior quality IT services at significant lower cost, which enables them to maintain operational agility and focus on core competencies that drive bottom line and top line growth. And now I would present the recommendation to Nancy.
Thank you. So, okay. Okay, let me give you again why I have to be us. Because by partnering with SAP Business Object, we offer a lot of benefit that will help your company increase revenue, which is we can provide opportunity to develop market-leading and standard-based solutions. And we can attain flexible licensing option for buy versus build. So you have a choice, right? And we can increase average deal size, which is we can follow it following by your company growth. And we can leverage the comprehensive market presence of SAP Business Object. And then we can help you focus effort on your core competency, which is you can accelerate time to the market and you can reduce development cost. It's really important, right? And we can provide incremental value to your customers. That means you can gain faster ROI, less of investment by offering your customer a complete solutions. Okay, thank you. Any question?
Mm-hmm.